Alright, what up y'all? For the new people that don't know, my name is James Forex. I've been trading for about 3 years already. I've been trading metals, Forex, and now futures this year. I have a brand for myself, which is Bullish Gods. We have a Discord and a Telegram, which is Bullish Gods Lobby. The link will be in the description, so if you guys want to check that out, it is free. We do not charge for anything. And today is Sunday. It's about 5:40 p.m. So on Sundays I usually give a market breakdown at 6 p.m. So we're going to be doing that today with some of the members. We're basically going to be discussing what pairs they're going to be trading, what pairs I'm going to be trading, if we're going to be using any fundamentals or any technical analysis for trading this week. And yeah, basically just trade talk. At the end of the day, it's just a community for traders. It's free, like I said, and yeah, make sure you guys tap in with that. It is free. It will be in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. And it is free. I keep telling you guys it's free because a lot of people keep thinking we charge. We do not charge for nothing. It is 100% free. We give setups in there. We help people out, and yeah, at the end of the day, it's a trading community. It's about to be 6, so I'm about to get all this stuff ready, and then once we start the call, I'll pop you guys back up. See you guys in the next clip. Alright, yeah, so we're about to start the call right now. This is a little checklist I like to do before I do my calls, just to break everything down that we're going to be talking. We're looking at some Forex pairs today, some metals, and some futures as well. So right now we are live on the Telegram. There's Telegram over here. We are live. We're just letting some more people join right now. It is 6:10, so it still is early, but like I said, we're going to be breaking down GJ first. Like I said, this is what we talk about, you guys. So tap in with the Discord, tap in with the Telegram, tap in with both. It is free. GJ is in like a little range right here, so we just need to get out of this range from here to here. Once we get a breakout of here, then we'll be able to see if we're going to continue to fly, or if we're going to come down and start targeting some lows down here. Because these will all be target points where market is going to have to go eventually. Market's going to have to target these lows. Yeah, today I'm going to just go over some GJ, go over some gold, and then go over some euro. I'll go over some news and stuff. Then again, though, we don't even have that much news tomorrow. We only have news at 8 for me, and that's when I get off the market. So there's not a lot of US news for us. Yeah, GJ and euro looks like it's going to be for the rest of the year for me. Here's high volume, low volume. YouTube videos you're probably seeing of people talking about like the scamming of Forex. Is just a lot of people know the knowledge but don't know how to take action. So maybe that person that's exposing somebody or whatever for saying that Forex is a scam is probably because whoever he learned from or whatever knew what they were talking about, but when it came down to trade, they didn't know what they were talking about. So like you could know another language, but it's going to be hard for you to explain it or teach someone else. Yeah, that's when it makes you think like, damn, am I getting scammed? So that's why all these videos right now are people posting that Forex is a scam. But then they also got to think though too, we are in the 4th quarter right now in trading. So there's going to be low volume in the market. It's 4th quarter right now. A lot of new traders don't even know that we have different quarters. Yeah, they just try to trade the whole 12 months. They don't know what months work for them, what months have volume, what months don't have volume. It all comes down to knowing as much knowledge for free. Then you go to a mentor that actually knows how to trade. So then you figure out how to trade. Then you figure out what works for you. Once you figure out what works for you, then boom, you had your aha moment. Now you become a profitable trader. But yeah, this is the Euro to USD markup right here. Yeah, I'm going to be trading Forex pairs for the end of the year. Gold and everything else is pretty shiesty. Only if I do see a good clean setup maybe for gold, then possibly we could take a gold trade. But as of right now, gold looks like it's just been dumping. But we could probably get a pullback to then continue down. So we'll probably get a pullback to here, hopefully to continue down. This is all liquidity right here. So all this is going to have to get swept eventually. So at the end of the day, we just got to let the market do what it does. If you're going to trade New York session, yeah. But yeah, for this pair, I see a good uptrend. Right now, market's creating a good uptrend. No breakout yet though. There's no breakout yet. So right here I see the 1 tap, 2 tap. This would be the 3 tap. So here it could break out, but then I would want it to retest to then maybe dump here, target this low, and then all-time low to target would be here. But like I always say, market never goes down straight. It has to basically correct itself, impulse, correct itself, impulse, correct itself. But right now I see uptrend on this pair. I never traded this pair though. But right now it's on a bullish on 4 hours, so. But yeah, like I said, see Forex pairs, they look good. They're clean and everything. You go to indice pairs, futures, it's like, god damn. I would wait for the breakout here. Once we pull back, this is basically the pullback. Then I would get in for my sales. Market be like that, above the low. Basically a little 1-to-1 there. And then the next target point could be here. We could hold this trade if we want. And then we have a 1 and 2. But at the end of the day, all we have to do is wait to see what the market's going to do. We can't control the market. So from here, this candle here will mess you up with your trend line. Because a lot of people will want to trend it from up here and then drag it down like that. You could do that. But then in reality, you don't get the full breakout that happens. So me, I would want to start it here at this low here. And then drag it out like this. So then the breakout, the false break was here. It pulled back. And then market tapped here. Once we broke back in the zone, now we have the breakout. Because then this could be your wedge here. So this would be like your risky buys. Anything out of here would be your safe buys. So anything in here, risky buys. Anything out of here would be safe. But eventually we want to pass this 50-50 range. But at the end of the day, it's just how you trade. Maybe you trade trend line breaks. Maybe you trade gap breaks. At the end of the day, we all trade different. But at the end of the day, we all look at the same thing, which is the market. So me, I wouldn't do my trend line from up here. I would only want this one as my confirmation. That's how I trade. That's for me, though. Because all of these are taps. I want that third, fourth tap for that breakout. That works for me, though. That's how I trade. Now that I see that the market is respecting this trend line, you just have to think the trend is my friend. Never go against your friend. We're going to stay bullish until I see us try to break through this trend line again. Multiple confluences and trades you could take is this: what type of strategy you trade and what works for you, what type of style, what kind of trader you are. And if you use spread, volume, all that comes into play. At the end of the day, do what works for you. But yeah, for swing trading, this is how I would do it. If I was going to swing trade, I'll be waiting for sales to continue to the downside. Safe sales would be here. You just have to wait for your entry. News would be the fundamentals. If your technicals is confusing you, if you see buy and sells, which whatever markup you do, this will confuse you. You'll lose money this way instead of losing money this way. Well, that's when we go to fundamentals and we go off of our news, which would be the previous, the forecast, and then the actual when the news comes out for the red folders and orange folders. Yellow folders I really don't care about. I'll rather go off of my technicals when there's yellow folders. So technicals would be my markup and everything, and then fundamentals will be the news that we go off of for volume. When you're gonna swing trade, that's when you want to calculate more of your risk and how much you're gonna lose for the week, for the month, however long you're gonna swing trade for. Because you know how when we usually do on Sundays, we usually see how much we're gonna risk and how much we're gonna lose for the week. You would want to do the same thing, but for swing trading, you would want to do it for your week or your month, your 2 weeks, however long you're gonna be trading for. So that's why I say I wouldn't want to risk what I usually risk if I'm going to swing trade, because then you're going to give your drawdown too much breathing room. If you risk maybe $300, then you got to remember in that drawdown is going to be heavy. If we minimize our contract, whatever we're going to be risking, then it'll be better because we'll have less breathing room but more profit gain. It would be the higher high, higher low, and then higher high, and then higher low. Because we never broke this low, we're respecting lows. But if you look, we broke this low here. So now market structure is shifting. So now we possibly could be going to the downside. But it's only up to the market. We can't say it. Because right now this is showing me manipulation right here. So I don't know if we're gonna break, because we already broke here. So we need to break here to shift the market. No more higher highs or higher lows anymore. So the uptrend could be done. Now we could see the break to continue to the downside. As you guys seen, right now we just ended the call with the guys on the Telegram. So at the end of the day, it's free sauce, you guys. We did everything that we had to do on our little checklist. So free sauce, free sauce. But yeah, tap in with the Telegram, you guys. It is free. Just the end of the video, so make sure you guys tap in with the Telegram. It is free. Bullish Gods Lobby. The link will be in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. And tomorrow we'll be trading New York sessions. So if anybody want to be in the sessions when we trade, make sure you guys tap in the Telegram. And yeah, you guys, every Sunday we do breakdowns. I go live when I trade during New York sessions, sometimes during London. So just tap in and everything will be good, y'all. At the end of the day, learn the skill, then the money will come. So I'm going to get this video out. I'm going to get it edited and everything. And I still want to continue that. Starting next week on Monday, not tomorrow, next Monday, we're going to be starting a $100 challenge. So if anybody wants to participate in it, you're more than welcome to. I'm not forcing you to, but just know that trading is risky. So we're going to be depositing $100 into account, and we're going to see how far we can run that account up to. If we blow it, we blow it. At the end of the day, that's trading. You're going to blow accounts. You're going to blow money. That's the only way to learn. So like I said, you guys, tap in with the Telegram, Discord, Instagram, all that good stuff. I am James, and hopefully this video was helpful for you guys and all the new traders. Welcome to the industry. You guys got a long journey ahead of you, so just have a good mindset, risk management, discipline, and you guys will be Gucci. So I'll get this video edited, get it out, and you guys have a good rest of your Sunday. Peace.